Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very big updates regarding the job opportunity from TCS company. So this is regarding a off-campus drive from the TCS for 2020-21 batch. This is a phase 2 drive. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can apply for this position, what is the eligibility criteria, what are the test patterns, how much time you will get for this online test, and what are the important dates. Okay, these are the things which we will be covering in this video. So let's start with the video. So TCS of campus for year means pass out year 2020-21. So here they have mentioned a registration end date which is 30th November 2021. Test commencement 8th November 2021 onwards. So whenever you are applying for this job, after that you can expect any date for your online test. Then the interview will be, if you are able to crack that online test, then on the basis of that they will schedule your interview. So this is the button where you can click for the registration. So before that, let's see about phase 2 TCS of campus hiring for year of passing 2020-21 batch. So eligibility criteria for this is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year of passing 2020 and 21. Only 2020-21 batch are eligible. 2018-90 cannot apply for this position. Then the test will start from 8 November onwards on the basis of when you are applying online, and they are giving a preference to the immediate joiners. Okay, so what is the application process for TCS off campus hiring? First one, you have to log in to the TCS next step portal. So just you can click here. So this will be the next step portal. Okay, so you have to uh, open this next step portal. Then step 2 is register and apply for the TCS off campus hiring. So there they have given two scenarios. If you are already registered on this portal, then you just have to log in with your credentials. But if you haven't registered before, you have to first register, and then you have to apply. Okay, so here just you have to click on register now button, and here two options you can see, IT and BPS. So you have to click on IT. Then one form will open. So there you have to fill all the details like your first name, middle name, surname, then what will be your date of birth, gender, email ID. So whatever email ID you are providing here, all the communication from TCS will come on this email ID only. You have to enter your mobile number as well. Some communication will come on mobile number as well. Then institute name, qualification, your highest qualification you have to mention. Then year of passing, test location you have to select from here. Then password. These are some security questions. So all these details you just have to mention and submit, and then you can apply for this job. Okay. So let's start for the next part, which is the test pattern. So see here, test pattern, how there will be a two part A and part B. In part A, it is cognitive skills, and part B will be programming test. So in cognitive skills, there are three sections. First one will be a numerical ability, which will be for 40 minutes. Then verbal ability for 30 minutes, reasoning ability for 15 minutes. So all you will get 120 minutes, 2 hours. Part B will be a programming. So here programming logics 50 minutes you will get. For the coding section you have a 45 minutes. Total you are getting 16 minutes. So total test will be 180 minutes. You just have to prepare well for this test so that you can able to crack the test. Okay. Then they have given the steps how to join this thing. So just you can follow the means you just have to click here and follow these steps. Second will be test eligibility. So what will be eligibility criteria for this TCS of campus hiring. So first one is a percentage. So minimum aggregate all subjects in all semesters mark of 60% or 6 CGPA. If you are percentage, then you have to be 60 percentage and the CGPA criteria will be 6 in each of the class, 10th 12th diploma, graduation, post graduation. So in all the things you have to be at least minimum 60% or 6 CGPA. Then highest qualification, students should have completed their education in the stipulated course duration, no extended education. Backlogs, you shouldn't have any pending backlogs. Then gap or a break in education, it is mandatory to declare gaps in education, if any. If you have any gaps in your education, please mention while applying for this job. Overall academic gap should not exceed 24 minutes until highest qualification. Means 2 years gap is allowed but not more than that. Relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for gaps in education. So all the documents they will be verifying to check your education gap. Then the course type they have given, only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time students cannot apply for this. Then students who have completed their secondary or senior secondary courses from National Institute of Open Schooling are also eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. This is the course type. Then the work experience, student with prior work experience up to 2 years are eligible to apply for the TCS of campus hiring process. So this will be for 0 to 2 years of experience. And the age, student should have the age 80 to 28 years. Then the courses and discipline, student from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. So these streams are allowed. They can apply for this position. So this is about the test eligibility. Next one is frequently asked question they have given. If you have any doubts regarding this, there are some frequently asked question. You can just go through that. And then the important notes, in important notes what they have mentioned, you must have all your original academic documents readily available. Means you should have all your mark sheets and degree certificates with you original. Then communication related to the test will be shared with you by TCS. Test mode will be remote, means the test will be online only. And TCS does not send job offers any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like Gmail. Means they will be sending all the communication from TCS ID only. TCS does not ask candidate to deposit any money for job offers. If someone is asking for you to first pay some money for getting the job, please don't trust on them, because TCS is not allowing this type of communication. TCS is not associated with any external agencies, company to conduct any interviews or make offers of employment on its behalf. Okay, so these are some important notes you have to first check this one. Then they have given the help desk detail as well. If you are facing any issue while logging or while registering on this next step portal, you can just reach out to them. So these are all details about the TCS off campus drive. I request all of you, if you want to take the advantage of this opportunity, please go on this. I will provide the link in the description. You can click on that link and apply for this uh, job. So last date is 30th November. So please apply before 30th November. After that you will get the test link anytime. Just prepare on that. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries related to this, you can mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. And you can share this video with your friends who are looking for the job so that they can take advantage of this. Thank you.